I would focus on this idea of practice. So you need to do to learn, right? And you may choose, there's different methods, there's different tools, you can find templates, all those things. And those are going to be particular to what works for you or the people that you're exposed to, what they're using. But what really matters is practice. And for that, you want to find someone who's doing what you want to do and ask them to, I'd say at the top level would they be a mentor to you, right? In your career, find a career mentor. I'd see another level might be, can I just have a informational interview with you to understand how you got to where you got to be? And then I will say, as if you were having an informational interview with me, what I did was I saw people that were doing what I wanted to do. And I said, take me along. The next time you go to work with a client, maybe it's a day session, maybe it's online, maybe it's in person, take me. I'm going to help you. I will, whatever it takes, I'm yours for the day, but I want you to give me tasks that you think I can handle, but I want to learn by being with you. And people said yes. I never had anybody say no to me. And I just became, in our culture, we'd call it a Girl Friday, right? So I put the word out all the time. Hey, what you got going on? Who's got something? I want to come. And I learned so much. And I was on my way.